Hi everyone. Today, we are going to show you how to add a time zone to your calendar in Outlook Office 365. This is especially helpful if we work with people in different locations or manage meetings across multiple time zones. Let's get started. First, open your Outlook calendar. We need to go to our Outlook Calendar 365. To add a time zone, all we need to do is click here. Then, we click Settings in the upper right corner. Once we are here, we just need to scroll down until we see the option to add a time zone. Here, we can add a time zone. For example, we can add a label like Office Time. We will then see a city list, and we can type a label here, like Office Time. We can scroll down to find the city we want. Once we are done, we just need to click Save. That is how we add a time zone to our calendar in Outlook Office 365. With these simple steps, we can schedule meetings more accurately and avoid any confusion.